Today I am going to start the new lesson, that is first lesson of calculus, that is indefinite integrals. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. For example, see, derivative of log x is 1 by x. So, integral of 1 by x is log x. All of you know derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore, integral of cos x is sin x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Therefore, integral of secant square x is tan x. Not only integral of 1 by x is log x. See, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of 2 plus log x is also 1 by x. Derivative of 3 plus log x is also 1 by x. Derivative of 10 plus log x is also 1 by x. So, therefore, integral of 1 by x is log x plus 1 or log x plus 2 or log x plus 3 and so on log x plus 10. That means every integral of every function has infinite number of values. So integral of 1 by x is log actual integral log x plus some constant. C is any real number, positive or negative or 0. That's why this is called indefinite integral. Indefinite. So every function has infinite number of integrals. That's why that is called indefinite integral, not definite. So definition. See, if derivative of capital F of x equal to derivative of capital F of x equal to f of x. Now integral of f of x is capital F of x. This is denoted by this symbol. So from the above, if derivative of capital F of x is small f of x, then integral of this one is capital F of x. We write this one. We write like this one. So here f of x is called integrand. This is called integral, and the process of finding integral is called integration. There are three terms: integrand, integral, integration. So this is called integrand, this is called output. Output is integral. The process of finding the integral of f of x is called integration. Right? Notes? Definition. If f dash x equal to f of x, then capital F of x is called integral or antiderivative or primitive primitive or primitive of f of x. It is denoted by right. next line, right? That is, if capital F dash x equal to f of x, then integral of f of x dx equal to capital F of x. Okay, next line, right? Small f of x is called integral next. Capital F of x is integral next. And the process of finding integral is called integration of integration. Is called integration. Next, if f dash x equal to capital F dash x equal to f of x, then capital F of x plus c is derivative, whole dash, derivative of f of x plus c. So f of x plus c whole dash is also f of x equal to f of x. Therefore, integral of f of x dx equal to capital F of x plus c. Here c is called constant of integration. C is called constant of integration. So remember, in terms, integrand means input, integral means output, integration, method of finding integral, and constant of integration. Now see some standard integrals, right? Standard integrals. Table 1. There are two tables of them. First one, table 1. Function integral. What is formula for derivative of x power n? Yes, tell me. Okay. So from that formula, what is integral of x power n plus 1?
N plus 1 into x power n.
N plus 1 cancel. So integral derivative of this one is x power n. So integral of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. But here condition n is not equal to minus 1. Plus c as usual. So I have formula for integral of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So these applications. Yes, from this formula, what is integral of x power n? Yes, in the place of n here minus n. Therefore, x power minus n
plus 1
plus 1.
plus
What is integral of 1 by root x?
root x by 2 root x.
Yes. So all of you know derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x, 2 cancel. Or by using this formula. In the place of m here, minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1, minus 1 by 2. Let's see. 1 means x power 0. So what is 1 is derivative of which one?
X.
X. Therefore integral of 1 is x. Enough. Next to trigonometric functions. Please listen first. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x, cosecant x. So what is derivative of sin x?
Cos x.
Therefore what is integral of cos x?
Sin x.
Right. Plus c. Derivative of cos x.
Minus sin x.
Therefore what is integral of sin x?
Minus cos x.
Minus cos x. Plus c. Derivative of tan x.
Secant x.
Therefore derivative of cot x.
Minus cos.
Therefore what is integral of cosecant square x?
Minus cot x.
Minus cot x. Derivative of secant x.
Secant x into tan x.
Derivative of so what is integral of cosecant x? No, sorry. Cosecant x into cot x.
Minus cosecant.
Minus
Cosecant x.
yes. Right. Trigonometric functions. Integrals. Next, algebraic functions. Just tell me what is derivative of e power x?
E power x.
So integral of e power x is also e power x. What is derivative of a power x?
E power x into log x.
A power x into log a. So what is derivative of a power x?
E power x by log a.
Yes. So see the difference. Derivative a power x into log a. Integral of a power x is a power x by log a. Integral of 2 power x, 2 power x by log 2. Integral of 10 power x, 10 power x by log 10. What is the derivative of 1 by x?
Log x.
Therefore, integral of log mod x.
1 by x.
Wait. Log x. Yes. So, integral of 1 by x is log mod x. Here n is not equal to minus 1. When n is minus 1, x power minus 1, 1 by x cases integral log x, log mod x. Plus, right? These are algebraic functions. Next, integral of sin inverse x.
1 by root of 1 minus x.
Integral of cos inverse x.
Minus 1 by root of 1 minus
Therefore, integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x or
minus cos inverse.
yes. Similarly, what is integral of 1 by 1 plus x square?
Tan inverse x
Or
minus cos.
next 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. Yes, right. So, inverse trigonometric functions completed. Next, hyperbolic trigonometric function sin hx, cos hx, tan hx, secant hx, secant hx. So, tell me derivative of sin hx.
1 by root of
Sin hx, not sin h inverse.
e power
Derivative one.
cos hx.
Cos hx. That of cos hx.
Sin hx.
Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus sin hx. That of tan hx.
Secant square hx.
Secant hx is derivative.
Minus secant hx.
Yes, minus secant hx tan hx. So therefore, what is integral of secant hx into tan hx?
Minus secant hx.
Right, minus. So derivative of minus cosecant hx.
Cosecant hx into cot hx.
Derivative of cot hx.
Cosecant square.
Yes. Hyperbolic functions was completed. Okay, next. Inverse hyperbolic functions. What is the derivative of sin h inverse x?
1 by root 1 plus x square.
1 by?
Root 1 plus x square.
Yes. Cos h inverse x.
1 by root of x square minus 1.
Yes. గుర్తుందా ఇది ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేయండి జనరల్ గా అసలు టార్గెట్ ప్లస్ 1 by 1 minus x square. In some cases, yes, in the first hyperbolic functions, what is formula for tan h inverse x?
E power x minus.
That is tan hx. I am asking tan h inverse x. 2 marks, very very important. Sin h inverse x, cos h inverse x, tan h inverse x.
1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x.
Yes.
1 minus x.
So optionals లో ఒకసారి ఇది కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు ఇది ఇవ్వకుండా. Just try, but don't learn. No problem related to this one. So these are standard integrals, table 1. First lo confuse అవుతారు derivatives integrals. So algebraic functions, exponent, trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, hyperbolic, inverse hyperbolic. So no need to by heart. Just to mindset మార్చుకోండి. Derivative of f of x is g of x, then integral of g of x is f of x. Right? Some more problems? Sorry. Problems related to the above standard integrals. First one. Integral of sin square x plus cos power 4x by sin power 4x plus cos square x dx. Answer. So first we must trigonometric formulas. Sin square plus cos power 4, sin power 4 plus cos square are both are equal to 1 minus sin square into cos square. This is constant function. Always 1. Both are equal. So what is integral of 1? X. Therefore answer x plus c. So 3 standard. Sin power 4 plus cos power 4 is 1 minus 2 sin square cos square. Sin power 6 plus cos power 6. 1 minus 3 sin square cos square. And third one, sin square plus cos power 4 and sin power 4 plus cos square. Both are equal to 1 minus sin square cos square. So this is the constant function. F of x equal to 1. So in first if f of x, so one previous problem bold descriptive. If f of x is sin square x plus cos power 4 by sin power 4 plus cos square x, then what is f of 2002? That is also 1 because constant function. Right. Second one. Integral of x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx equal to. Yes, clearly. What about this integral?
X square minus x plus 1.
Yes. Factors of numerator x square plus x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1. So what is integral from the x power n formula?
X cubed by 3 minus x squared by 2 plus x plus 6.
Right. Can extend this one. Means factors of x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 are x power 4 plus x square plus 1, x power 4 minus x square plus 1. Okay. Factors of x power 4n plus x power 2n plus 1, n is any integer. Factors of x power 4n plus x power 2n plus 1 are
X power 2n
x power 2n plus x power n plus 1 into x power 2n minus x power n plus 1. Right. Next. integral of 4 minus 3 sin square 2x by sin power 6x plus cos power 6x dx. Numerator clear? Clearly, what is denominator?
1 minus 3 sin square.
Now, sin 2x formula.
2 sin
So, sin square 2x.
4 sin square x cos.
4 sin square cos square. Now, clearly, what is this value?
4
4. Integral of 4.
4x.
4 into 1. So, 4x. Let's see. Right. Next, integral of 2 power x into 3 power x by 5 power 2x into 7 power 3x. This is related to the formula integral of a power x. What is formula for integral of a power x? A power x by log. So we have to convert this one a power x. 2 into 3 by
5 square.
5 square. 25 into 7 cube. 343 whole power x. So no need to simplify and multiply. Options elage istaru. Now what is its integral?
It's a power x.
Yes. Right. That one by
Log.
what is log of 2 into 3 by 25 into 343?
2 into 3 by 5 into
Okay. What is logarithm of 2 in
log 2 plus log 3 minus.
Yes, log 2 plus log 3
Minus log 2.
log 25 is again 2 log 5 minus wait, ala istar options. Yes, what is integral of tan square x? No direct formula.
Tan cube x.
No. అటువంటి ప్రొసీజర్ లేదు. So, yes.
Secant square x minus.
See, from the formula, from the identity, secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Tan square x is
Secant square x plus 1.
yes. Secant square x minus. Now there are formulas. What is integral of secant square x?
Tan x plus
Minus
x.
yes. So small confusion in derivatives and integral. ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా మిస్టేక్ చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు మన డెరివేటివ్స్ లో చూడండి derivative of x power n formula n into x power n minus 1. సో ఏం చేస్తాము డెరివేటివ్స్ లో ఎక్కడైనా డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ sin power nx ఉందనుకోండి ఆ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేసేస్తాం. సో n into sin power n minus 1x into derivative of internal function cos x. అలా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆ ప్రొసీజర్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఈ integral of x power n equal to integral of x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. But if we have derivative of sin power nx into d of sin x, if we have integral of sin power nx into d of sin x, x dx, so here x is dummy, then we can apply the formula. Now this is in the form of x power n into dx. We can apply that formula. So that's value is
Sin power n plus
sin power n plus 1 x by n plus 1 plus c. No need to integrate sin internal function sin x etc. So suppose integral of e power sin x into derivative of sin x.
e power sin x.
Right, we can apply the formula. This is in the form of e power x into dx. Therefore, formula e power sin x plus. Okay. ఇలా ఇటువంటి ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంది కానీ అలా డైరెక్ట్ కాదు. So that is called substitution method. So next concept, substitution method. Right. Substitution method. That is, if integral of f of x dx equal to capital F of x plus c, then integral of f of g of x into g dash x dx equal to capital F of g of x plus c. See the proof of this one. Let g of x equal to t. First listen, g of x equal to t. Now differentiate on both sides. Derivative of g of x is denoted by g dash x. Derivative of t with respect to x is dt by dx. So by cross multiplication, g dash x into dx equal to dt. Now the required integral becomes f of what is g of x? T. What is g dash x into d of x? dt. So here t is dummy. Integral of f of x is capital F of x implies integral of f of t is capital F of t plus c. Now what is f of t?
G of x.
Right. Therefore f of g of x plus c. Okay. Right. So problem models related to this substitution method. Example, integral of sin of e power x into e power x dx. Same problem, IB 2 marks వస్తే ఇది ఎలా చేసామో అలా చేయాలి. అంటే what is the internal function
E power
e power x? What is derivative of e power x?
E power x.
అది పక్కన ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి IP procedure, let e power x equal to t. Differentiate on both sides. Derivative of e power x is e power x. Derivative of t dt by cross multiplication dx. Now that one becomes integral of sin t
dt
dt. What is integral of sin t?
minus cos
Minus cos t. Therefore, minus cos t plus c. Again, t can replace with
e power x
e power x plus c. ఇది it లో ఎలా కంపల్సరీ t అనుకుని చేయాల్సింది. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్లో టూ మెథడ్స్. ఒకటి ఆ ఫార్ములా బై హార్ట్ చేయండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ f of g of x into g dash x. ఓకేనా? అలా కూడా కాకుండా నేను ఫాలో అయ్యేది ఏంటంటే sin of e power x into e power x into e power x is the derivative of e power x. So we can replace that one with d of e power x. Now this is in the form of sin x dx. Integral of sin x dx is minus cos x. Therefore, minus cos of e power x plus c. Okay, right. Look at the board. Tell me answers.
tan log x
Tan,
log x
because secant square of log x into this total one is d of log x. So integral of secant square x. Tan. Yes.
e power sin x
E power sin x into this is d of sin x. So e power sin x. Answer for this.
sin cos power 5x by 5
Cos power 5x by
5
3. What is the derivative of cos x?
minus sin x
But there is only sin x. But derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So what to do?
minus
So completed. Multiply cos power 4x means cos x whole power 4 minus sin x is derivative of cos x. Now this is in the form of x power 4 into dx. That means the derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus of minus plus. Now x power 4 integral
cos
minus cos power 5x by 5. Now applications of the above substitution method. Applications. First one. If integral of small f of x dx equal to capital F of x plus c, then integral of f of ax plus b dx equal to, oh yes, what is formula for this? Here internal function log x derivative 1 by x, sin x derivative cos x.
of x plus c by a
Yes, What is derivative of ax plus b?
A.
But there is no a. So multiply dividing with a. Then
F of
over capital F of
ax plus b.
ax plus b by x coefficient. Remember, plus c. See the difference between derivatives and integrals. What is the derivative of sin 2x? Derivative.
Cos 2 cos 2x.
Derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore, derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into x coefficient. When that is linear function. But integral of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. So in derivatives into a coefficient of x, but here by coefficient of x. Write this one. Now examples. So by x coefficient, internal function is ax is in the form of ax plus b. Then that's the actual integral by x coefficient. Yes, first one answer.
Sin 3x plus 5 by 3.
Yes. Here
E power 4x minus 5 by 4. Secant 5x by 5.
secant 5x
By 5.
by this one.
Log of 3.
Integral of 1 by x is log mod x. So in the place of x there is a linear function.
Log
Therefore
of 3
log of
minus 3
modulus of
3 minus 2x by minus 2.
by x coefficient to minus 2. Okay, right. This
Log of 1 plus
log it down. 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x. Therefore tan inverse of
2x plus 1 by 2.
right by x coefficient to 2. Let's see. Right. This is about first application. Second application, very important. 30 problems, 30% of medical problems related to this one. Integral of f power nx into f dash x dx. Guess?
F power n plus 1 into x.
Right. N plus 1 by n plus 1. Because this is d of f of x. This part can replace with the d of f of x. Now that is in the form of x power n into dx. Form x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here in the place of x, f of x. Therefore, f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So its application. What is integral of f of x into f dash x?
f of x whole square.
Right. N plus 11 or 1?
1.
1. Therefore,
f of x whole square.
example. So function to the power some real number, rational or irrational or negative or positive, into derivative of that function. In that case, we can apply this formula. But in some cases, complete derivative of the function unnadu. In that case, we have to multiply and dividing some constant. Then we can apply the formula. Okay. Like example, integral of 1 plus log x whole cube by x dx equal to integral of sin power 5x into cos x dx, integral of secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole cube, integral of cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole cube. Integral of cosecant square x into root cot x, integral of cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square, integral of log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x. Tell me answer for this.
1 plus log x whole power 4 by 4.
Yes. F power n x into derivative of 1 plus log x is 1 by x. Yes. Minus needle. Integral చూస్తున్నాం. What is derivative of sin x?
Cos x.
మనకు కావాల్సింది ఇక్కడ డెరివేటివ్ కదా, ఇంటిగ్రల్ కాదు కదా. Derivative of sin x is plus cos x. So clearly in the form of f power n x into f dash x. Therefore answer right, sin power 6x by 6. Here
1 by 1 plus tan x whole.
first power line 1 plus tan x whole power
minus 2 by
ఎందుకు లేట్ అవుతుంది నీకు? దీన్ని పైన రాసుకోండి. పైన రాసుకుంటే 1 plus tan x whole power minus 3 into that's derivative secant square x. So f of x plus 1 plus tan x. Therefore
minus 2 by
minus 3 plus 1 into minus 2.
minus 2.
Yes, minus 2 plus. Here
A plus b cot x minus 1.
ఈ బోర్డు పెట్టుకోండి ఒకసారి. a plus b cot x whole power
minus 2 by minus 2 into b.
into
b.
only b. What is the derivative of a plus b cot x? What is the derivative of a plus b cot x?
b equal to cosecant.
b derivative of cot x formula
Cosecant minus cosecant.
minus cosecant square x. A plus b cot x derivative minus b cosecant square x. But there is only cosecant square x. So it
minus b.
multiply dividing with to minus b. So minus b multiply చేసాం అనుకోండి అది యూజ్ అవుతుంది f dash x లో. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది మీకు
by minus b.
by minus b. Already there is minus 2. Therefore
plus
2b. Yes. Once go to answer. Derivatives much better. What is the derivative of cot x?
cosecant square
Minus cosecant square over f4nx into f dash x power 1 by 2. n plus లో 1 by 2 ఉన్నట్టే కదా.
cot x whole power 3 by 2.
Yes, 1 by 2 plus 1 by
1 by 2 plus minus
minus లేదు కదా ఇక్కడ. So minus no less. Yes, first
1 plus sin x whole power
1 plus sin x whole power
minus 1 by
Right.
minus 1.
right, sin x derivative cos x, no problem. Here
log x
power 1 ఉన్నట్టే కదా ఇక్కడ మనకి.
log 1 plus x whole square.
So log of 1 plus x whole power 1 into 1 by 1 plus x. f4nx into f dash x. n plus లో 1. Therefore
log of 1 plus x whole square by 2.
yes. So derivatives strong గా ఉంటే so optional టిక్ పెట్టుకోండి అలా. Third application, integral f dash x by f of x dx equal. Guess.
F of x log of f of x
Yes. Log of f of x. Let's see. So integrand so this is also very important. If integrand is in the form of f dash x by f of x, means derivative of denominator is numerator, then formula for integral of that one logarithm of denominator. కాబట్టి సేమ్ పై ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లాగే దీని డెరివేటివ్ న్యూమరేటర్ కొంచెం చేంజ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. అంటే జస్ట్ మల్టిప్లై డివైడింగ్ విత్ సమ్ రియల్ నెంబర్, దెన్ వీ కెన్ అప్లై దిస్ ఫార్ములా. Example, integral of tan x, integral of cot x.